anxiety is wrong. You're not anxious. You're not broken. You're over-evolved. And in the next few minutes, I am going to prove it to you. The simple shift of naming the part of me that's ancient, scared, and over-alert changed everything. And the 7 protocols that are life-changing. You're not even overthinking. You're a caveman, stuck in a Wi-Fi world. Your diagnosis is outdated. Your therapist is wrong. Your 3 a.m. panic spiral, the cold sweat before meetings, that dread when someone leaves you on red, that's not mental illness. Your brain thinks you are being hunted. You are not anxious. You're over-evolved. Listen to me now, because everything changed for me the day I lost it. Over a pizza delivery, it was late, just 1 minute late, and I was on the kitchen floor, shaking, crying, spiraling, not because I am dramatic, but because my 200,000-year-old brain decided this delay meant starvation, famine, abandonment. That is when I realized I do not have a disorder. I have an ancient alarm system, misfiring in modern life. Let me introduce you to who I used to be. The girl pretending to be chill at brunch while unraveling over a one-word text. The girl Googling, is it normal to cry over voicemails? The girl who downloaded 3 meditation apps and got more anxious trying to use them the right way. I wasn't broken. I was speaking fluent caveman in a digital jungle. Here's what therapy never told me. The average modern human is hit with 427 threat cues every day. Our ancestors, maybe 30. That's 14 times more danger signals. Every single day, your phone ping to your brain. That is like a scary rustle in the bushes. The unread text. That could mean exile from the tribe. Your scroll through Instagram. That is a survival status scan. You are not overreacting. You are adapting. Flawlessly. Let me confess, I skipped my best friend's birthday because my outfit felt wrong. To my brain, that was a tribal threat. I once rehearsed for a staff meeting 14 times because of a weird comment someone made 3 months ago. To my brain, that was an exile alert. I deleted Hinge because someone ghosted me. To my brain, rejection equals death. Sound familiar? Good. You are not crazy. You are in survival mode. So how did I change? I stopped yelling calm down at myself, and I started saying, hey, cave brain, I know you think this deadline means death, but we are not being hunted. We are just in outlook. That simple shift, naming the part of me that's ancient, scared, and over-alert, changed everything. Stanford research shows this kind of emotional labeling can drop cortisol by 47%. MIT found it boosts regulation by 38% in 3 weeks. I didn't get better. I got fluent in cave brain, and then I rewired everything with 7 protocols. These aren't hacks. They're survival truths, rooted in science, honed in fire. Here they are. Protocol 1. Your brain wants survival, not happiness. You crush a presentation, but obsess over the one awkward slide. Your brain isn't celebrating. It's scanning for exile. It's not sabotage. It's a safety checklist. Protocol 2. Rejection feels like injury because your brain treats it like one. Harvard proved it. Social pain lights up the same areas as physical pain. So when someone unfollows you and your chest tightens, that's not too sensitive. That's biology saying, don't die alone. Protocol 3. Scarcity is your brain's default. Whether it's the last slice of cake or someone pulling away emotionally, your brain panics because it evolved in a world where resources meant life. When someone texts back slower, you spiral, not because you are clingy, but because your ancestors starved without connection. Protocol 4. Focus failure isn't brokenness, it's vigilance. You start writing a report, and suddenly, you're in the fridge, in your inbox, checking the weather. Your brain evolved to scan for danger every 3 minutes, not to sit through spreadsheets. Protocol 5. Uncertainty equals threat. Your brain would rather hear bad news than no news, because ambiguity means no prep time for survival. Waiting to hear back about a job. The spiral isn't drama, it's a primitive alert. hidden behind the bush. Protocol 6, nature isn't luxury, it's regulation. 20 minutes outside drops cortisol by 28%. Not because trees are pretty, but because bird sounds equals no predators nearby. That breeze on your face, that's your nervous system exhaling. Protocol 7, stress needs a physical exit. Your body releases adrenaline to move, not to sit and ruminate. Go for a walk, shake, dance, sweat. That awkward conversation won't release until your body does. Once I stopped trying to fix myself and started decoding myself, everything changed. My favorite trick, dance like your life depends on it, because evolution thinks it does. Like the day I forgot my wallet at Whole Foods. Long line, judgy stares, old me, shame spiral, freeze, panic, new me, step aside, whisper, cave brain, we're not starving. It's just kombucha. We're okay. 90 seconds later, calm, clear, capable. So next time your brain freaks out over a text, a deadline, or complete silence, don't say, I'm broken. Don't say, I'm overreacting. Whisper, I'm over-evolving. And then whisper, thanks, cave brain. I've got it from here. Thanks for hanging out with Couch Tales, the place where we dive into the funny and not so funny things that make us tick. I'm your friend, Anna Lee. Until next time,